If you want your vegetable plants to grow faster, look greener, and give you more fruits, this simple homemade liquid fertilizer will really help. It's easy to make at home, costs nothing, and gives amazing results. Many people use this in their home gardens and kitchen gardens to make their plants strong and healthy. You can give it to tomatoes, chilies, brinjals, ladyfinger, and other vegetables. After just 1 or 2 uses, you will see the difference in the plants. Leaves will become shiny, stems will grow thicker, and more flowers will come. Let's make this step by step using simple things you already have at home. First, take the peels from 6 bananas and cut them into small pieces. No need to make them perfect, just chop them so they break down faster. Put these pieces in a small plastic or steel container. In a second container, collect the dry onion peels from 1 kilogram of onions. Now take 5 used tea bags. If you don't have used ones, even fresh tea can be used. Open the bags and pour the tea leaves into a third container, or you can also drop the whole bags directly. Now add warm water to all 3 containers. The water should be warm, not boiling. Add enough to fully cover everything inside. This warm water helps in pulling out the nutrients faster. After filling the water, cover each container with a mesh cloth or a thin cotton cloth. This will keep the insects away while letting the air go in and out. Keep these containers in a corner, maybe in the balcony or on the terrace, and leave them undisturbed for 1 full week. During this time, everything will slowly release nutrients into the water. After 1 week, you will notice the water has changed color. That means it's ready. Now strain the liquid from all 3 containers into 1 big bucket. The leftover peels and tea can be thrown into your compost pile. Now you have 3 separate liquids, and each one has its own benefit. But we are going to mix them together to make one strong and complete fertilizer. Once you have all 3 liquids in the bucket, add about 10 liters of clean water to dilute it. This step is important because direct liquid can be too strong. Mixing with water makes it safe for the plants and helps them absorb it better. Stir the mixture properly so all the nutrients get mixed well. Now your homemade fertilizer is ready. Take this liquid and pour it near the base of your vegetable plants using a mug or a watering can. Do not pour on the leaves. Always give near the roots so plants can drink it easily. You can use this every 2 to 3 weeks, especially when the plants are growing or giving flowers and fruits. Plants like tomato and chili will give more fruits. You'll notice your plants growing faster, giving more flowers, and looking fresh and green. This fertilizer works so well because it has everything a plant needs. It has nitrogen from the tea, which helps in making green leaves. It has potassium and calcium from the banana and onion peels, which makes fruits grow bigger and keeps plants strong. It also protects from some small diseases and pests naturally. Slowly, your soil will also become better if you use this regularly. This is a smart way to use your kitchen waste and help your garden grow without spending extra money. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure natural growth. If you like this method, do check out other videos on our channel where we show more such homemade fertilizers and garden tips.